Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As most of you guys know, it's done nothing but rain and everything is flooded out, but I was looking back and I got some footage I want to share with you guys. It's from like October till last month. There's some catches that I really would like to share with you guys, some good ones, and one is with Creek Fishing Adventures. If you guys have watched him, he is, I think, around pretty much around Middle Tennessee. That's one of the catches is with him. I drove down one morning and fished with him, and I caught the Coosa Bass. Awesome catch. I mean, it's a little dude, but I was glad to catch one finally. Probably would have caught more, but I picked the worst weekend. Got down there and it was had been raining and muddied up the water, but still managed to get one out of there. And after I left with him, I did fish a few more spots, but I didn't really do much good. But I want to show you guys that catch and a few more, so stay tuned and enjoy. Thanks. Got something. Is that one of them? Well, maybe. I tell you, sometimes you can't ever get these out. Is that one?
Yeah. The colors aren't as distinct because I think the water's murky, but yeah, they're a lot greener.
Yeah.
And they got like an orange tint or like a white tint, but mainly their eyes. They got the little patch behind their eye.
Pretty.
And like green or blue kind of up here.
It's got white tips too on his fins.
Yeah. That's an average little one. They get twice that big, but
it's pretty. Sweet. Thank you, bud. Awesome. Oh, we got him. Sweet. Nice. I knew there were some good ones in here. Not too shabby at all. Sweet. It's the first one. Thank you, bud. Let's go get some more. we got him. Come back for it. It's a good fish. Plus the current. He's a fat one. Sweet. This little creek has some good ones. That's about the size of the one I missed the other day. Here. Good one. Nice smallies. He was over in the shade line. And come off that swim bait. Look at the black. Pretty fish. Thank you, bud. That was a good one, especially coming up that current. Just using a regular Kitech with this, I think this is a Z-Man, hook from Z-Man. It helps when you're using like their swim baits and stuff. This little clamp helps hold them on, or they're so hard to get to stay on with that Elastec. These hooks work really good for all of it. It's about impossible to use one of those screw heads on a swim bait hook like this to get in the Elastec. But I found out these work really good. So stay tuned. I'm gonna smoke some more, hopefully. Yep, still sitting in my chair. Just editing it up a little bit. But if you haven't, go check out John at Creek Fishing Adventures. Awesome guy. Very nice. He is a very Christian oriented channel too. Just positive content all around. Hopefully we'll get to do some more fishing this coming spring and summer. I'm going to try to get him down here my way and do some wade fishing in the North Fork. He loves doing wade fishing and fishing rivers and creeks quite a bit. That's mostly his main thing. But I'll put his name in the description and stuff, so you guys go check him out. I hope you enjoyed this little contemplation, I guess, of a few catches I've had that I never did get to upload, really. Most of it, the stuff I've been uploading and got to upload is, sorry, recorded on my iPhone and got a phone call and it stopped recording. But like I was saying, the stuff that I've been uploading and I got to upload is stuff I've just saved up from where my channel was hacked. And now that I got it back, I got all this other stuff that I've not been able to upload, which it's a good thing now because it's been raining for a week and a half and it's another week of rain or flooded out. So at least I still got some good content to put out. Hopefully you guys think it's good. But I got some things to do, so I got to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit that like button and drop me some comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.